Good day, viewers. Thanks for visiting my channel, guys, to everything. Today we're going to learn how you can collect loan from a company, without the collaterals. And you can collect this loan, you can obtain this loan up to 1 million naira within 5 minutes. All you have to do just download the app and you are good to go. I'm going to put a link to the app where you can download the app on Google Play Store. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Just go there, click the link in the description box below, and it takes you to Google Play Store where you can download the app. With this app, you can get a loan up to 1 million naira, without any collateral, without any paperwork, without delay. And you can get this loan under 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you get this loan. And also, this loan, can also be disbursed, like I said now, under 5 minutes, and it's reliable. The beauty of this company is that you can make a repayment within 18 months. Not the ones you go and collect online, they'll say you pay through within 10 days, within 7 days, within 12 or 14 days. But this one, you can spread the loan repayment for almost 18 months, and they can give you up to 1 million naira. So, thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, the interest is also very flexible, especially when you pay early. They will extend the loan for you. You can, instead of you collect 1 million, you can collect 1.5 million and all that. But you can even start from 100. You can start from 100,000, and from there, as you are paying by the loan, repaying the loan, they are extending the offer for you. That is, if you collect, let's say you collect 200,000 naira this month, and you pay back within the splitted time, you will be allowed to collect 500,000, 800,000, and 1 million naira as time progresses. But it's very flexible. The interest rate is very flexible, and you can pay within 3 months, within 180 days, 6 months, and all that. So it's very flexible. I encourage you, if you have a business you are doing that you can use the money for, you can just collect this loan and use that to do your business. You can also invest in this with this app. You can also invest your money, and they give you 21% return on your investment. Let's say, for example, now say minimum investment is what, 100,000 naira. If you invest 100,000 naira in the app, you return per annum is going to be 21%. So for you to get more, if you go to Google Play Store, before you download the app, just read the reviews on Google Play Store. You will discover that the app is the best when it comes to loan, without collateral, without surety, where you can easily just fill it online, download the app, fill the whole information required from you on your app or your mobile app, and you are good to go. So you can also invest through this app, and you make a very good return of 21% per annum. So look at what my dream of starting my own poultry farm has been accomplished. So do you have any business to start? This particular app now can help you to commence your business, to start your business without running to the bank and be wasting your time. If you get 500,000, 1 million naira, you can be able to start a good poultry farm. So people are running to this app to come and invest. So you also want to get the app, just go to my description box, click on on the link to the app there, download the app, and feed the necessary details. And if you have any comment, any question to ask, just use that the comment box in this video below and make your comments. Do not also forget to subscribe and share this information with your loved ones. If somebody wants to borrow money from you, instead of you giving the person money, tell the person go and download this app, and they will be able to collect money immediately. So and this app, Fairmoney, is a licensed online lender that provides instant loan and what Fairmoney is a licensed online lender that provides instant loans and BP. You can also use to pay P. So if you go there, you see how I can easily collect the loan. How can I get an instant loan? The decision is there. How much can I borrow? For how long? How can I access Fairmoney from anywhere in Nigeria? Yes. What makes Fairmoney different from other lenders? It's instant. It's instant. You just don't need collateral. You don't need any paperwork. And the loan will be delivered to your account directly. That is the picture of this particular app. Just go to my description. Just get app. Do not go through any other link so you don't get the wrong app. There are many fake apps there. So just go through my link, click on it, and you have access to download this app and start collecting your loan. When you pay back, you collect more. When you pay back, you collect more. So to enhance your business. So do not, do I need documents or collateral? You don't need documents or collateral to collect this loan. You don't need it. So it's a good app. So go straight to the description box and click on the link there and start applying for your loan. Whatever comment, whatever any issue you have, just make a comment. I will quickly respond to your comments. I recommend this app for you as my subscribers. If you don't, with this app, you don't have any business with brother borrow me money or sister borrow me money. With this app, now you can easily get money from them without you spending a dime, without you going to go and look for shorty to sign documents for you, without you going to go and print passport for you to paste on the form, and without using your car or your house as collateral. Everything now is done online on the app. So I recommend this particular app for you. So go straight to the description box, click on the link, and download the app, from us, and you will testify to what I'm telling you. So you can also invest. If you have money to invest, minimum of 100,000 naira, you can also invest, and you'll be getting a return per annum of 21%. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, to everything. Subscribe to the channel, guys, to everything. And also, do not forget to share this video with your colleagues, your friends, and your neighbors. Thanks for watching. So subscribe to the channel, apply for loan. You get a loan as much as 1 million naira. This is within 5 minutes. Is it not superb? I encourage you to do that. You pay the payment tenor is up to 6 months. You can pay in 3 months, 2 months, and even to 6 months. So I recommend this loan offer for you, this loan app. Go to the description box below, click on it, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching the video. God bless you. Bye.